Today we are dipping Oreos, but first we're going to dip them in caramel and then the candy coating. They are so delicious. Melt the caramel bits according to the package directions and carefully dip the Oreo in the caramel and place it on parchment paper on a cookie sheet and then put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Melt the red candy coating, dip the Oreos, place them back on the parchment paper, shake the baking sheet a little bit so it evens out the candy coating, and then add the eyes. Put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Using a sharp knife, trim off any excess coating and smooth the edges with your fingers. Melt the black candy coating, use a thin brush, draw the line, and then add the spots. The tools I'm using for decorating I got on Amazon, and they're actually for fingernail decorating, but they work perfectly for all the intricate little decorating I do with my little creatures. I stuck the link below in the description in case you want to take a look. And there you have it, super delicious, almost too cute to eat, Ladybug dipped caramel Oreos. Thank you so much for watching.